Welcome to Engine Explorer. What if I told you that the most luxurious 5-star hotel of 2025 has wheels? Today, we're stepping inside a rolling masterpiece, a 2025 luxury RV that redefines travel with style, comfort, and jaw-dropping innovation. This isn't just an RV, it's a mobile mansion. From the outside, the sleek body is a statement of power and elegance. Full-body paint, chrome accents, LED lighting, and 22-inch alloy wheels give it the look of a celebrity tour bus. But what's inside is where the real magic begins. Step through the automatic entry door, and you're welcomed by a full marble floor, ambient lighting, and hand-stitched Italian leather furniture. Yes, leather, in an RV. The living room features 2 power recliners, a 65-inch smart TV, and a built-in fireplace. It's voice-activated, connected to a smart hub that controls lighting, temperature, and even security, all with a simple command. Now, let's talk kitchen. A full chef's galley with quartz countertops, a residential refrigerator, induction, cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher, and even a wine cooler. It's like bringing a gourmet kitchen to the open road. The master bedroom? Pure serenity. King-size memory foam mattress, underbed storage, blackout shades, and another smart TV. You'll forget you're inside a vehicle, and the bathroom? Think high-end spa. A full standing rainfall shower with LED lighting, teak bench, heated floors, and a backlit mirror above a double-sink vanity. But here's the kicker. This RV also includes a private office, complete with 5G connectivity and noise-canceling walls. Work from anywhere? Now it's work from luxury anywhere. Underneath, a heated, climate-controlled storage bay holds everything from bikes to a mini electric scooter. Some models even include a retractable rooftop deck with solar panels and lounge chairs. This isn't the future of camping, it's the future of living. For those who demand both freedom and luxury, the 2025 luxury RV is the ultimate machine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insane machines right here on Engine Explorer.